Hello guys, I'm just gonna show you what this Mini 3 Pro, you can see here actually got shot by the most powerful electric water gun, and this thing still survived. And I actually flown it in the rain, and not only that guys, I'm actually using the active track passing through obstacles, tight places guys. This is 49 gram. Look how small this mini drone can do. Passing through cutting pace. Guys, I'm going about 10 or 15 miles an hour in this electric scooter, Ninebot Max, and you can see here I'm just riding it. This thing just followed through, and also my experience with the RC controller while it's wet, how precision the controllings are, and how this little machine can handle it even though it's wet, obstacle avoidance. Guys, this could be better than Skydio 2 Plus, especially for 249 gram. And also, guys, the range in this is amazing. And you can fly in rain and at night with vertical camera, also a longer flight time.
Woohoo! See this, guys? Let's see what it do. Look at this. Tight! Oh! Whoa! Going tight. Wow. Still tracking. Woohoo! Whoa! Look at that, guys. In the rain. Tracking me in the rain. Woohoo! Whoa! I almost led. Woohoo! Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Look at that! Wow, guys, that's it. That thing is dodging in the rain. In the rain, guys. Woo! All right, let's go ahead and go this way. Yeah, it's dodging me in the rain. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have it like this. Woo! Extremely raining now. Yeah. Look at this. Woohoo! Wow, the Mini. Whoa! Whoa! Is it passing? Whoa! It's still passing through, guys. Look at that! Wow! Woohoo! Okay, let's go back this way. Wow, that is a Mini 3, guys, Pro. Look at this. Look at that. It's still dodging. Wow! Dude, I wish I can capture this in the camera. Dude, in the rain. Woohoo! And it look, I would say kind of like a low light. Wow. Look at the Mavic. Okay, they lost me here. I went too fast. Woohoo! Whoa, he did not. He still go around. Still go around. Woo! Look at the technology. Wow! I'm speeding, guys. I'm going about, what, say 15? Look at this. Wow! In tight trees. Wow! Wow! Look at that. That is a Mini 3 Pro. Woohoo! Wow! Yeah! So catching me in rain. Wow! Look at that! In rain, passing through obstacles. Wow, guys, that's amazing. Woo! Look at this. Wow, look at that. Wow, amazing. Speechless. Wow, look at the trees. Doesn't even know it, son. Look at this. Whoa. Yeah. I'm going 14, 15 miles. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and come back this way. All right, I'm done. Amazing. 17, 20 miles an hour. All right. Look at this. What? Amazing, guys.
This is my first time actually controlling the Mini 3 Pro with the controller. You can
That's
see here most of the time I had my hand on the handlebar of the scooter.
So yeah,
wow.
so if you're gonna say to yourself, is it worth it? I will say yeah. Wow, this thing is dodging trees. Woo-hoo-hoo. Extreme rain. Wow, amazing. Wow, guys, it's wet. It's wet. Woohoo!
That was extreme raw footage of the Mini 3 Pro, putting it in real life. Anyway, guys, you can see here I'm riding my Ninebot Segway Max scooter, and the whole time I have my hand on the handlebar, and of course I have the Mini 3 Pro controller RC in my neck, strap in my neck. You guys can see that, but so bad, not too bad. Actually impressed. I mean, of course, Apple Watch I would say would be great, but it's an Android. But hopefully, the next version of this is gonna be iOS. Hopefully, so we can use your Apple Watch as a second controlling the mini drones in the future. But I think the 49 gram is way to go. Why I said that? Because it's tiny, it's small, passing through obstacles, driving through cars, you can see here. I mean, you don't have to worry about people getting hurt or yourself. You don't want the drone to hit you. So I think the future is coming, guys. I think the 49 gram drones are gonna be more of this coming soon. Hopefully, I said I think it's better than Skydio Plus. Of course, I said that because look at it. The range is amazing on Mini 3 Pro. You can fly at night, day or night, without no problem. Yeah, of course, it's missing some sensors, but guys, it still handle it without no problem. Yeah, you have the front and the rear, but it still does it. It do the job because the drone itself is mini. You look at it, tight places, in the rain. All right, I actually go through this with you guys. I mean, the technology is there. I think the future is there. Like I said, you can this dodging the trees on the bob, and you only got front and rear and bottom obstacle avoidance. Just imagine if Mini 3 or 4 going to be have all around obstacle. What would it be like? But of course, it just needs a little bit more of firmware update so it can actually follow you when you're going like 30, 40 miles an hour. That'll be great. I think the drone, it can go like 35 or something like that. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.